You have already seen a lot of strategies already, but the results are not consistent, right? That's because no one is explaining the why behind the moves. This is the exact video you have been looking for. I'm going to explain why a candle turns red and why it turns green with clear logic. In this video, I'm putting everything together to clear your confusion and doubts once and for all. So don't skip any part because this is exactly what you need to see right now. In any binary trading chart, the first thing you need to focus on is market structure, how the market is forming. For example, if the market is making higher highs and higher lows, that's a clear uptrend. So step number one is very simple. Identify the structure. Now comes the second part, candlestick psychology. Since we already know the market is trending uptrend, our focus is clear. In any uptrend market, we are only looking for call entries. Alright traders, I want you all to focus in this particular chart. The market gave us higher high from a certain area, and from that level we got a clear break of structure. Okay, we need to find that level for that trend continuation confirmed by a strong bullish candle closing above the previous high, and that was exactly from this level. You see, there was a sweep, but after that we got a clear break of structure, that is trend continuation signal. After that move, we just don't jump in, we wait for proper retracement. We need extra confirmation. Let me zoom in the chart so that you can see this clearly. After the retracement, the market has given us a sweep, so you can take your entries on basis of sweep as well. I have made a separate video. A sweep is a very powerful tool for you to identify where the market is heading. So here you see we have got a clean sweep with a red candle. Beginners will immediately think of taking a put entry, but that's a big mistake. So after a sweep, we need another confirmation, that is break. So after this one, the last high was broken with a healthy bullish candle. We take same direction trade, which would be this one. So that was our direct win. Okay, so you see this particular candle has fulfilled our left leg, that is FFLL has completed. So here after this winning trade, we will not place any more trades to the up direction because FFLL has completed and market can go either direction. And if you look on the left hand side of the chart, there are no candles. There is no clear reference after that big green candle. So we don't have a solid level to base our next trade on. That's why we don't rush. We wait for the market to give us something, either a sweep or some kind of additional confirmation before thinking about our next entry. Now look closely. The market gives us another sweep here. Same setup as before. After the sweep, the green candle, here there is a sweep, right? With a red candle, the low are taken out by this red candle and the green candle closes above the previous red candle. That's your confirmation. The moment that happens, we take the trade in the same direction and again, it's a clean winning trade. This is another high quality trade setup. So traders, you need to filter your trades. So after that winning trade, we got a inverted hammer, that is another liquidity sweep. But with that sweep, we are not going to take put entry, even though the trade looks very valid. There's a sweep and after the breakout, we got a nice red candle. That's a counter trade, but I do not suggest that to beginners traders because you can make mistakes. So here, if I have to explain you, market is uptrend, so we are not looking for any put entry, but market follows what it needs to be. So here after the sweep has happened, we got a break below that particular candle, and after that we got another beautiful put entry trade, which is in fact a winning trade. But as I said, I do not recommend you to place your counter trades. We are only taking trade according to the major trend. That means we need to wait for a certain retracement and a sweep. So here market swept, the candle closed above the previous doji candle. We got a small red candle. If you have placed trade, you would have lost, but one step MTG is a win because the red candle is very small comparatively to the previous green candle, that is also known as brothers candle, which I have mentioned in my previous videos as well. In this kind of situation, you can take one step MTG because we are taking trade according to the major trend, and there is a sweep happening with another candle closing above the previous candle. Similarly, we got a continuation candle, but another error candle, one red candle in between the buyer's loop, but another one step MTG is a win. So whenever this situation happens, you can take one step MTG as well, especially when you are taking trades according to the major direction. Now let's place some trades using the same concept. We've got the exact same setup right here. The overall trend is up. We got a small retracement and then there's a clean sweep. The moment I saw this, I took a call entry directly at the opening of the candle. See guys, the market will give you enough sweeps and confirmation. You just need to filter the chart properly. As you can see, this trade is now moving in my favor. I have a clear valid reason behind this entry. Let me win this trade and I'll explain you the full logic. This candle is forming a beautiful green candle and a clean winning trade. So here's what you need to understand in this type of setup. We first got a sweep with a green candle. As you can see, the overall trend of the market, the overall direction is bullish. Let me take a screenshot and I'm going to show you step by step. Okay. Here, as you can see, the overall trend, the overall direction of the market is already bullish. We got a little bit retracement and the last green candle has given us a clean sweep. So that is liquidity sweep. And after another green candle closing above the previous one, that gives us our additional confirmation. Then we see a red candle, which is if I was available, I would have taken call entry on this red candle, and after that I would have taken my one step martingale, but I was not available, so that's a plus point for me. I got to take directly call entry on the second candle. So you see this red candle doesn't have any lower wick but only upper wick, showing a buyer's momentum. So this is how we have to place our trade. Now you must be wondering, after the green candle, I could have taken one more call entry, but the green candle has not given us a clean closer above the wick of the previous red candle, so market has reversed. Also, FFLC has happened, fulfill last candle. So because of that, I'm not placing any more trades, and now I cannot even place put entry because the red candle is not as strong as the in compared to the green candle. So now after the sweep, we need at least some kind of confirmation to take put entry as well, or we need market structure shift. So we will wait in that particular chart and we will scan through multiple currency pair for that another good quality setup. So let's see what this current candle is doing. There is a sweep, but I'm not getting any clear confirmation. We have to scan through multiple charts and find that perfect setup. So here patience is the key. So we need to wait and see for that valid perfect setup. We need to also align our setup with our major and minor trend, which I have already explained in my so many videos. So let's see what the candles are doing. Not this one. As you can see, major trend is downtrend. Market is clearly making lower lows and one big green candle. That's a big no. We need normal size candle, not abnormal size candles. We need at least 2 to 3 confirmations for placing our next trade. Here market is in an uptrend situation, but there is a wick, a lot of wicks going on. Okay, we are back to our same chart, that is Euro AUD. We've got beautiful sweeps going on from the upside. Now here, I can see that a possible put entry trade. After this candle, I'm going directly with my put entry trade, and I'm going to explain you why I'm taking put entry. Guys, now we have got a shift in the structure. This is the same chart where I've taken call entry, but now I can clearly see the bigger picture that the market now is turning from bullish to bearish, and I've got valid reason for this. You see, I'm going multiple put entry trade right after the big red candle. I'm going to explain you. Let me get my trend line resistance. Market is now making lower lows. Okay. It's very clear and it's very clean. You can see it through your naked eyes as well. But for your reference, I'm going to mark it with my trend line resistance. So here, currently, market has made new low and market has reversed, correct? And the second confirmation, the high is taken out by wick. That is a perfect classic example of liquidity sweep. So this is a high probability trade setup. You see, this is a direct win. Why? This is a very nice setup. Let me explain you. Market has given us lower lows, correct? And here, very beautifully, market has given us a sweep. So after the sweep, you see the last green candle, there is a breakout, and also the last green candle, there was a break below the previous wick of the green candle. So why not taking a put entry? This is a beautiful setup. Also, you see there is a fair value gap which has been already used. It's already mitigated. So it's no use. Market has already reversed from our fair value gap. So that is not used. So the next target of the market is definitely FFLL, that is left leg, and market has came down to fulfill that left leg. I hope this video has cleared all your doubts about entries, confirmation, and market structure. I've tried my best to explain everything in very simple way so that you can actually apply it. If you still have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description box. With that being said, I'll be back soon with another powerful video. Until then, keep learning and stay consistent and happy trading.